The Central Secretary of CPIM, Sitaram organized an important conference meet at the Melarmat CPIM hall on Monday. The members of the Politburo Prakash Karat, Manik Sarkar and the State CPIM Secretary Jitendra Chaudhary were present at the meeting.
The Central Secretary of CPIM, Sitaram organized an important conference meet at the Melarmat CPIM hall on Monday. The members of the Politburo Prakash Karat, Manik Sarkar and the State CPIM Secretary Jitendra Chaudhary and other party members were present at the meeting. The meeting was held 3 times after the Vidhan Sabha election. The CPIM party were getting hindered by the other party every time they tried to implement their work. With that, the CPIM party members were losing confidence for the future preference. As such situation, how will the CPIM will able to win a victory over Tipra Motha and expand their supporter in hill area? For that purpose, the CPIM organized an important meeting on Monday.
সাংগঠনিক এবং অন্যান্য কর্মসূচি পর্যালোচনা করি এরকমই যে আগামী দিনের সাংগঠনিক এবং কী কর্মসূচি হবে এগুলো নিয়ে আমাদের আলোচনা
কে কে থাকছে
আমাদের জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি এসেছেন এবং সিনিয়র পলিটব্যুরো মেম্বার প্রকাশ থাকছে।
Similarly, they also had a discussion for the upcoming 2024 Lok Sabha election. The CPIM party members are working and hoping to increase their supporter in the hilly areas again like before. Reported by Pranab from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.